Are you sending out tons of resumes and not hearing anything back? You're not alone. Most job seekers are completely invisible to recruiters. Why do I know that? Because I'm a recruiter. I'm Rochelle, and I've been a senior recruiter and staffing manager for over 20 years. I've seen so many qualified candidates get overlooked simply because they were invisible to recruiters. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that and finally get noticed. Here's the truth. Most resumes don't even make it in front of the recruiter's eyeballs. The resumes are filtered down by applicant tracking systems, and there's so much competition for these jobs. It's tough to stand out. And on top of that, recruiters don't even read most of the cover letters anymore. So don't waste your time there. Stop wasting your time on the cover letters that you upload with your resume into applicant tracking systems. Over 80% of them never get read. Use the cover letter when you're sending your resume directly to somebody in email form. But save yourself a lot of time. And guess what? You get to use that time doing what?
Networking.
Because it's going to pay off a lot more than easy apply. Okay, so let's get back to my script here. To make matters worse, recruiters are under huge pressure to fill roles quickly, and we are. It's called time to fill. And we don't have time to read your cover letters. If you don't have the goods in the resume, you don't move forward. So we only look at the resumes, okay? So us recruiters, we use tools like LinkedIn Recruiter to narrow our search when we actually go outbound and look for candidates to pull to us for the job. And if your profile is not optimized, we're never going to find you. You're not going to show up in the results, okay? So that's why so many qualified candidates, maybe even you, get overlooked. Now, the first step to showing up in a recruiter search is making sure your profile has the right keywords, because we use keywords to find you. So use specific job titles, skills, industry terms that align with the roles you are targeting. For example, instead of saying, I'm an experienced electrical engineer, right? Electrical engineer, electric vehicle industry specializing in product development. That way you'll match the keywords recruiters are actively searching. Now, speaking of resumes, I've created a few applicant tracking system friendly formatted resumes that are on my website that you can download for free. They work on all ATS systems, even the old ones. If you have columns and pie charts, your resume is not going to get parsed correctly into the database. And if you're using one of those fancy resumes and putting it up into the career pages, that's probably another reason why you're not getting calls, okay? So, reverse chronological resume, put it up, and don't bother with the cover letter. If they call you, ask, can I write a cover letter so you could send it on when you send it up to the hiring manager for review? And they'll say yes. So do it then, okay? Save yourself a lot of time. So on your LinkedIn, you need to upload a resume up to your profile. Upload it as a media file, a PDF, and when you put it up on your profile, click featured. So it will show up in the top third of your profile as a featured post. And all the recruiters that find you, they can click on the resume and see all the goods and decide if they want to contact you. They might even put it in their applicant tracking system, which I do all the time. If I find a great candidate, I put them into the applicant tracking system, and then I track my calls to you. I track my emails to you. So you need to be able to be found like someone like me, and then I put you on my hot list and I try to get in touch with you. So make it easy for us. Another thing you need to also do in that resume, don't put your actual address just for security reasons. You don't want anyone, they don't need to know the street address, just the town. Us recruiters like to know what town you are from because we want to Look at your possible commute. 30-minute commute, 10-minute commute. Oh, that's going to be an hour and a half. I doubt this person's going to want to work here. So put your name, your town, your email, and your phone number. And then here's another hot tip. Why don't you get that free Google phone number from your Gmail account? You get one free Google phone number. And then when you have that phone number, you download Google Voice, you put it on your phone, and you set it up. So if anyone calls that number, it gets forwarded to your real number, and you save that Google phone number in your phone as the Google phone number, and you only use it on your resume. So when you get phone calls on that bat phone, you know exactly who's calling you, what their intentions are. It's a recruiter calling about a job, okay? So that's just my little hot tip for you. Okay, so you want to also make sure you click on open to work. These people that think, oh my gosh, it's going to make me look desperate. A lot of people need to find a job. Why are people on LinkedIn? Networking for their career or to find a job? Use it for what it's meant for. No shame in that. And you could also click on don't let my current employer see it. Okay. So you click on open to work. Why? Okay. So this allows you to show up in the recruiter's search results. When they are using LinkedIn Recruiter, which is a high-end product sold to companies in two formats, smaller company than large enterprise. Recruiter Lite is one of the products. I think it's $170 and it goes up from there. They have a whole interface when they're putting in their Boolean searches and looking for you, or they're using the menu drop downs to drill down and find you. A lot of them want to find people that are open to work right now. They don't want to see people that are already working. They want to see who's available to work right now. So they get to click, show me people that are open to work. And all these people appear in their search results. Well, if you don't have open to work clicked, you will not show up in that recruiter search results. Okay? So it's very, very, very important. Those small tweaks will make a huge difference. Okay, so let's do a Boolean search. Let's say you're looking for a recruiter at some big tech company, okay? So you want to put in the company name and then and in capital letters. And then let's pick two just to make it easy for titles. You're going to put in a parentheses and you're going to put recruiter, and then you're going to put or in caps, and then you're going to put talent acquisition manager. And then you're going to put a parentheses over that and then press enter and results will come up. So Boolean search is basically using operators and, not, or. Those are operators. And when you put them in a specific way into the keyword search, you could do this in a Google window too. Just like it's a lot of people like me do it and people in sales. Okay, so you can learn it too. I want you to learn it because it's a very, very good tool. So you can use Boolean search to find professionals with specific skills and that are in specific roles like mechanical engineer and aerospace and California. This helps you target the right people who can help you uncover opportunities or expand your network. Now, to make connecting on LinkedIn even easier, I've created a free tool with 6 LinkedIn connection request scripts you can use to reach out to recruiters, hiring managers, and team leads. These scripts are short, professional, and proven to work. Plus, when you download the tool, you'll automatically be added to the waitlist for my Job Hunter Pro program, which is launching soon. Be sure to grab it, and the link is down below. I have other freebies down below too. So I will be diving deeper on how to use Boolean search strategically in my new program, Job Hunter Pro. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to bypass the ATS, right? Everyone wants that. How do you bypass the ATS? Well, I've got some secret tools that I use and top salespeople use, me and my headhunter friends use, that are out there that most people don't talk about, that I'm talking about in my program. And I'm going to teach you how to set the system up to sell yourself and to bypass the applicant tracking system and to find the recruiters, find the hiring managers, find the team leads, find the crumbs that get you to the people that you're going to get in front of. You're going to get seen. And when you get seen, that leads to more interviews. When you do more interviews, that leads to more job offers. So get some freebies, get on my email list, and feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or connect with me on LinkedIn also. Okay, so in my next video, I'll teach you how to craft a LinkedIn message that actually gets a response from hiring managers and recruiters. This is the step where most job seekers get stuck, but it's easier than you think. So don't miss it. Ciao, ciao for now.